Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring the app is allowed to use the camera and microphone. Once done, open the app directly from the home screen or app drawer. Tap the camera icon or double-press the power key to launch fast. This saves time. Make sure to select the basic mode you need: photo for stills, video for motion, portrait for shallow depth. While you tap controls, note exposure and flash icons so you can adjust them quickly for better shots. Once the app is open, set resolution and quality so files meet your needs. Lower resolution saves space, higher preserves detail. Use the grid lines to compose with the rule of thirds, then tap to set focus and slide exposure to control brightness. Lock focus when subjects move and enable the timer or burst for action shots. Make sure HDR is on for high contrast scenes and decide on flash. Automatic can misfire in mixed lighting. Press the shutter to capture a single image or hold it for a burst. For video, tap record and monitor the timer. After shooting, review your media, crop or apply quick edits, then save or delete duplicates to conserve space. If the app freezes or camera shows black, force close the app and relaunch. Make sure camera permissions are enabled and storage isn't full. If problems persist, clear the app cache or reboot the device. This resolves most common issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.